Ladies and gentlemen of the $1 Million Roundtable, you can make quarter of the table, top of the table year after year by making more sales or selling larger cases, or both. My name is Marc Silverman, and I'm going to share with you a time-tested formula that has enabled me to achieve MDRT each year that I've been in the business and top of the table for the past 22 years. You only need to remember the number 20. Write that down, the number 20. What I'm about to share with all of you has been developed by me by keeping meticulous records year in and year out. Let's assume that you have a goal of writing 100 cases for the year. Coincidentally, this is what the average MDRT member does, while the average top of the table member does close to 300 cases per year. The first thing that you need to do is break the goal down and work backwards. 100 cases per year is 9 per month. And the first question that must be answered is the number of appointments needed in order to close 9 per month. Now, statistics tell me that you're going to close 1 of 3. Therefore, you're going to need to be in front of 300 prospects in order to close 100 cases. The next question that must be answered is the number of appointments needed in order to see those 300 prospects. If you are new to the business, use a cancellation ratio of 50%. Therefore, you would need to book 600 appointments for the year, or 50 per month, of which a half will probably cancel, to be in front of 300 people to close the 100 cases. If you have been in the business for any length of time, your cancellation ratio is going to be much lower. Next, how many phone calls do you need to make in order to be in front of 600, to have those 600 meetings? From tracking my numbers over the years, I know that 13% of the calls made will result in an appointment. Therefore, if you divide 600 scheduled meetings by 13%, you're going to need to dial 4,615 times per year, or 20 times per day, assuming 2 weeks off per year. If you make the 20 dials religiously, and that is the key, everything will fall into place. If the average commission is $1,000 per case, you will earn $100,000. If you want to make top of the table, multiply those numbers by 6. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this simple yet achievable idea is of help for all of you getting back here next year. Thank you.